Let's prepare the food for the BBQ party. Let's prepare the food for the BBQ party. This is meat. This is fresh meat. These are pork ribs. These are pork ribs. These are chicken wings. These are chicken wings. These are chicken drumsticks. These are chicken drumsticks. I wash the meat. I wash all the meat carefully. This is a cutting board. This is a cutting board. I put the meat on the cutting board. I put the meat on the cutting board. This is a knife. This is a sharp knife. I cut the meat. I cut the pork ribs into small pieces. The pieces are small. The pieces are small. They are perfect for the grill. They are perfect for the grill. These are chicken wings. These are chicken drumsticks. I put them in a bowl. I put them in a large bowl. Now I marinate the meat. Now I marinate the meat. This sauce. This is delicious BBQ sauce. I pour the BBQ sauce. I pour it over the meat. I add salt. I add some salt and pepper. The meat smells good. It smells so good now.
Next, I prepare the vegetables. Next, I prepare the vegetables.
This is corn. This is sweet corn. I cut the corn. I cut the sweet corn into thick slices. These are bell peppers. These are colorful bell peppers. This is an onion. This is an onion. I chop the bell peppers. I chop the bell peppers. I chop the onions too. I chop the onions too. I chop them into square pieces. I chop them into square pieces. Now we make the meat skewers. Now we make the meat skewers. This is a skewer. This is a long wooden skewer. I put the meat on the skewer. I put a piece of meat on the skewer. I add some vegetables too. I add some vegetables too. I add a piece of bell pepper. I add a piece of bell pepper. I add a piece of onion. I add a piece of onion. Look, this is a beautiful meat skewer. Look, this is a beautiful meat skewer. These are sausages. These are sausages. I put the sausages on a plate. I put the sausages on a plate. I put the skewers on the plate too. I put the skewers on the plate too. Now all the food is ready. Now all the food is ready. I cover the food. I cover the food. I put the food in the fridge. I put the food in the fridge. In the next video, we will make a fresh fruit plate and delicious fruit smoothies together. Don't miss it!